everyone. Today I will be discussing the cholesterol biosynthesis. That is the class of Unit 3, Class 3. Yesterday we have discussing about the lipid metabolism 1 and lipid metabolism part 2. Now we are going to the cholesterol biosynthesis. That is the coming from the lipid biosynthesis. First of all, we should know where is the cholesterol stored. The level of cholesterol in the blood is related and to the development of arteriosclerosis and MI. If there is any increase of cholesterol in our blood, it will be leading to arteriosclerosis and myocardial infarction. Cholesterol found exclusively animals and hence it is often called as an animal sterol. So total content of our body cholesterol in a man weighing about 70 kg is about 140 gram, around 2 kg per body weight. Next. All steroids have some ring that is known as the cyclopentanoparhydrophenanthrin ring. And cholesterol is amphipathic in nature and it is both hydrophilic and hydrophobic region in the structures. All carbon atoms of cholesterol are derived from the acetyl-CoA. So generally there are features 27 carbons of atoms are there. So we are just discussing going to the cholesterol biosynthesis sites. Where are the sites where the cholesterol biosynthesis is occurring on? Major sites are liver, adrenal cortex, testes, ovaries and intestine. And all nucleate cells can synthesize cholesterol, including arterial wall. And it is generally located in the endoplasmic reticulum, partly in the cytoplasm. So what are the requirements? First of all, you should know. So acetyl-CoA provides all carbon atoms. There are some requirements like the reducing equivalents are supplied by NADPH, some ATP, and some for production of 1 molecule of cholesterol we need 18 molecules of acetyl-CoA, 36 mole of ATP and 16 mole of NADPH required. Now stages. There are 5 stages. Synthesis of HMG-CoA, that is the beta-hydroxy beta-methyl glutaryl-CoA. Now formation of mevalonate, production of isoprenoid unit and synthesis of squalene. Conversion of squalene to cholesterol. These are the stages you have to remember. Now coming to the stage where you have to study about the cholesterol biosynthesis. See, first acetyl-CoA is converted to 3-hydroxy-3-methyl-glutenyl-CoA, then it is converted to mevalonic acid. Mevalonate, then it is converted to mevalonate 6-phosphate. Next, mevalonate 6-pyrophosphate. Then isopentyl 6-pyrophosphate. Then geranyl PP. Then ferranyl PP, then squalene, then 2,2,3-oxidosqualene, then lanosterol, and there is a cholesterol. And in the byproduct there is a heme, a dialcohol, ubiquinolene, and there are some another intermediate steps. So this is the schematic diagram and you should remember the enzymes here. So first HMG-CoA synthesis here helping, next HMG-CoA reductase, next mevalonate kinase, next phosphomevalonate kinase, mevalonate 5-pyrophosphate decarboxylase is helping, next femuracil PP synthesis, next farnesyl PP synthetase, next squalene synthetase, next squalene monooxygenase, next squalene epoxygenase, and 19 reactions are there, and lastly 20 carbon containing cholesterol is synthesized. So these are the schematic diagram. Next, regulation of cholesterol synthesis. Who will regulate? HMG-CoA reductase enzyme, that's a rate limiting enzyme. Who will be regulating? It is associated with the endoplasmic reticulum and it is subject to different metabolic control. If there is some control required, then HMG-CoA reductase will be helping to regulate. Now regulation of transcription. Long-term regulation involves regulation of transcription of gene from HMG-CoA reductase. So cholesterol synthesis requires this type of regulation. Now some of the drugs, if there is any increment of cholesterol in our blood, so then lovastatin and other statin group drugs, they are the competitive inhibitor of HMG-CoA reductase. As a result, HMG-CoA enzyme will not be synthesizing. As a result, cholesterol will be not be forming, and these drugs are used to reduce the cholesterol levels in blood. So thank you. So your requirements is to study what are the requirement, where are the sites of cholesterol, and what is, first of all you should know cholesterol, and then what are the cholesterol features and the sites and the requirements and the stages and the pathway. Thank you. So if you have any question regarding this topic, you can ask me in my WhatsApp number or call me anytime. Thank you.